to wish you all Happy Ugadi, everyone! Today I'm going to show you a special dish, and it is called Ugadi Pachadi. So I have all of the ingredients here to make Ugadi Pachadi, and my brother and I am going to show you how to make it. So here are all the ingredients. Wow! So we need 6 ingredients to make Ugadi Pachadi, and here they are. Abhi, do you want to show them or should I? Me. Okay. So Abhi, can you show them please? Okay. Tamarind juice, roan mango sliced into little pieces. Yeah. Add red chili powder. Add jaggery, flour, and some salt, and obviously water. So we have tamarind juice, some red chili powder, some salt, and some jaggery, and some neem flowers, and some raw mango sliced into little pieces, and obviously some water. Start making Ugadi Pachadi now? Yeah. Okay. So we need to put the tamarind juice into the bowl. Yeah. Now I'm going to put jaggery into the juice. This is sticky. There. Now I'm going to add a tiny bit of some salt. And some red chili powder. And now I'm going to add these neem flowers. Now I'm going to add raw mango into this juice. There. Do you want to do water? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Every single bit. Okay, time to mix it. You and then you need to wait until the jaggery is mixed into the juice. Abhi is telling me what to store. Okay, I'll do it. 6 ingredients have different tastes, just like our lives. So the tamarind juice makes this a bit tangy, and the raw mangoes make it a bit sour, and also so the neem flowers add a bitter taste, and taste like it makes it very nice. And chili powder is hot, and the jaggery is very, very sweet. This Ugadi Pachadi represents 6 different emotions in our lives. This is why we have this tradition to do this dish every time when it's Ugadi. Jaggery has mixed into the juice now, so me and my brother could eat it. Abhi, do you want to eat it now? Yeah. Okay. Do you want to taste Abhi? Yeah. Okay. Yummy? This is so delicious. I can feel every single different taste, and my favorite is the raw mango. Abhi, what? My favorite is the raw mango. What is yours? Jaggery. Oh, you like the jaggery, the sweetness? Yeah. Oh, okay. Me and my brother are going to enjoy this yummy Ugadi Pachadi, and I hope you guys will have fun making it and tasting it. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and like. Bye!